Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm Isaac. Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. Today is um, Thursday, May 19th, and let's get right into it. I've actually already entered a position, and it missed my sell limit by like a half a pip. I don't know how it missed it, but I'll just show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. I think it could come back up. There's a lot of momentum pushing up before New York Open. So I do think it could come back up. And let's go ahead and make this the correct color. Go ahead and make this purple since it's closer to the 78%. And this is a sell-off IOC. So just so you guys can see what I see. So it basically hit it. It just, the spread didn't cover it. But I entered a .03 somewhere down here. And I think it'll come back up. I don't think this is the end-all be-all. But this is the trade I was looking at. Call it 50 pips. Right under, right? So I only have a .03 in here right now, so we're up about 17 pips. Let me confirm on my MT4. Not even 17 pips. I'm up about 14 pips, 15 pips. So that's about right. Yeah, that's about right. I still think it will come up a little bit, and I'm hoping it does because I really do like this area to continue to sell off from. Remember, this was a previous golden zone buy IOC, a strong one, right? This is something that was broken through yesterday. But the only thing I didn't like and what I noticed was that it didn't break this low, didn't break this low, right? So I expect it to do that now, but just from what I'm seeing, I think it is possible for it to come back up to these zones up here and kind of, because just you got to remember, whatever goes down must come up and whatever comes up must go down, right? So that's a big thing that's going on right now is we could see that this whole thing, even though it's been filled up here, I think it is key for it to possibly come back up here. And you can see the 1 hour 50 EMA coming through right here. So I think it's possible for it to continue to finish up, but I think we're still in a major downtrend, right? Just because we have lower low, lower high, 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 lower low. And I think we're still in this trend, right? We also have this, this is another reason why I took the trade was the 15-minute 50 EMA. I know I'm getting a little bit better at this because I'm starting to see these things a little bit more clearly. I just credit that to showing up every day, truthfully. So you can see it still looks like the momentum's pushing to the upside, right? So I'm not too worried about it because I do have my trade in there. But if it does, I think I will move it up a little bit more. I think I will. So we got 37 seconds left. And when I say move it up a little bit more, I think I will go ahead and probably enter up here more towards the 15 minute. You can see the 15 minute is up here, but yeah, we'll see. It still looks good, right? Like we got a reaction. Hopefully it stays that way. Hopefully it comes back up here and reacts again. But I think this area would probably be a better target. So I think what I'm going to do is, just because we're 11 minutes away from open, I'm going to hold the trade as of now. Let me just, it's coming back up, and you can see that. Nah, whatever. I still like the trade. I like the positioning and everything, so we'll see what happens. And remember, this is the 15-minute 50 EMA, right? So we can see the respects being shown. It's rejecting out a little bit. Yeah, it's pushing back up on me. So we'll see what price gives us. But I do like this trade. And if you guys see anything different from me, let me know. Let me know what you guys see. If there's anything else that you're seeing different from what I'm seeing, um, it could be possible, right? I don't get everything right, so. But I definitely like what I'm seeing in terms of retracement. You know what I mean? I don't think these always get me, right? Because you can have, right? This is kind of the same thing happening here, right? Low, lower high, higher low, higher high, right? So is that a break of structure? No, because the market pushed through everything, right? We kind of got the same thing here: lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, right? Higher low, higher high. Do I think we are in a uptrend, or do I think we've had a break of structure? It's hard for me to say, but you know, I'm just not too sure that we are. So let's see this. Let's see if there's any other major key points over here. Oh yeah, look at this. That is crazy. I think I've had this ILC set up, I want to say, for like, since I started trading. Damn, that's crazy, dude. Yeah, well, I started trading basically over here. Yeah, I finally reached it. Came back down. I've been waiting for this since price was over here. So I've been waiting for this, you know, retracement for a long, long time. And this is a key area right here too. So it hit it. That's crazy. Right? Yeah, that's nuts. Okay. Well, we could have a break of structure right here. This could be the bottom of the bottom, right? So we'll see. But I'm not going against the trend. As of now, lower low, lower high, lower low. So let's see what it gives us. We got about 7 minutes till open. I think it should give us, damn, it's still rejecting it, huh? All right, well, let's see. I'm gonna wait till open, even though it looks like it's kind of coming down right now. Damn, maybe I should take this out right now. Um, about 25 pips. No, I don't want to make it a 75 pip. Let's see. I think we should see a little bit of a retracement back into our zone, and we'll take it from there. So really, I want to enter about there. And truthfully, I like to enter up here, but we'll see because it's already showed respect at this level here, so we'll see exactly what it gives us. So again, the reason I'm taking this trade is just because we're still in a continuous downtrend, right? You can still see the lower lows and lower highs, and I drew out the fib, most recent high to the most recent low, and damn, look at that. Yeah, maybe this is it. You know, it tapped the ILC, now it's respecting the EMA. Got about 5 minutes till open, so let's see. I mean, it doesn't look good, but we'll see. searching for fame. I became a superstar in the dope game. And take profit, I mean, I see it going farther than this, but 172 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at, right? So we'll see what it gives us. We could see it push all the way down here and break through here, but you're just not too sure because I don't know how strong this level is, but I know that I've kept it here for a long, long time for a reason. I've actually had this level in here for damn near a year and a half already now, so it's for a reason that I had it here. So I'm gonna keep it where it's at. We shall see. I think we're getting a small retracement so we can enter it open. Let's see if it gives it to us. The 15-minute. Yeah, this kind of looks like it has a lot of force to continue up. So hopefully it finishes bearish and then we just get another wick in and wick out. You know, wicks in, wicks out, and then we could get out. See where the 30 minutes at. Yeah, the 30 minute is way up here. And I think if we break above here, then we do have a break of structure, in my opinion. So, shit, yeah, the 30 minute looks like it's somewhat pushing up too. So we'll see. This is a risk right here for sure. We only have the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 3 minute, and the 1 minute, 4 confirmations. With this, 5 confirmations, but it is still risky just because of this key area. And it looks like momentum's pushing to the upside, but I'm just trying to trust the strategy that's helped us, you know, this whole year, and that's you know, sticking to our guns and looking for structure, looking for price action, and we'll go from there. All right, we got about a minute and a half till open. Let's see what it gives us. You know what? I actually want to see something too. Let's see what kind of retracement this was. Oh yeah, it was pretty nice. Came back into the 50% retracement area and pushed up from there. So, I mean, it could be lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then fly up. So I think if we do enter this trade, we're gonna have to definitely move stops to break even after it breaks through this structure right here. Once it breaks through the structure right here, then we could go ahead and get a better idea if, I mean, it has to break through the EMA and whatnot. So we'll get a better idea at that point. Let me keep this up. Alright. I think we got everything ready. 15 minutes coming to a close, and it looks like it's sitting on top. So, let's see what it gives us. Haven't put anything in yet. Nothing yet. Getting a reaction. But it definitely looks like it wants to push up. Man. I mean, let's see here. These are the zones, right? This is where we're kind of looking for the sells at the 15-minute. So let's see. I just put in a sell right now. We'll see if it goes our way from here. Damn, I got in kind of late. Whoa, I like that. Let's see. This is a big area, right? It has to push through all of here. I don't like that. I don't like the way it's finishing. It looks like it's just going to continue up, truthfully. I only have a 0.03 in there, but it doesn't look great. Doesn't look great at all. I think it's trying to continue to push up, and I don't think we're going to see it slow down anytime soon. Yeah, I mean, I'm in here, and I think, I just got to let it hit my stop. Still have it in. Let's see. Yeah, I just pulled it right now. Damn, it took a big loss too. Damn it. Not a huge loss, but 230. Um, yeah, I think it's going to continue to push up. I think what we've seen here was what we were talking about down here. I was trying to trust it, but yeah, it looks like it's headed up. No, it's coming way up here, and truthfully, I think if it breaks above here, we're looking at a break of structure and maybe a push to the upside from this point. I like this area right here, right? I have it for a reason. Um, but get a little sell in. We'll see what happens at this point. Let's see if it could come down. Let's see if it could come down from here. I took it out in here. But let's see. No, it doesn't look like it. Not with that type of, yeah, no, not with that type of push. It doesn't look like it wants to come on down. I'm gonna hold until my next, if it hits my loss, then it hits my loss and we're out, right? Oh yeah, looks like it's gonna continue up. It's already getting close to my stop loss. And yeah, I think we're looking at a break of structure right here, man. That's what I think is happening. It still hasn't broken it, but I think it's well on its way. I'm going to be done trading after this. I've already lost 343 for the day. So, got to call it a day after that. You don't want to keep trading. Yeah, this thing's flying. Um, yeah, you know, certain point, you just got to take the L, right? Because now it's just continuing to push up. So we definitely have a break of structure now, and maybe we're seeing the tide change. Maybe this was the low, right? Because we're at 11,700, right? We haven't been here since 2020. And yeah, look at that thing flying. Ain't much you could do about that there. You know, you take a loss, you take a loss. So um, I guess we get back to it tomorrow. I mean, the one thing that I do see now, definitely going to take this lesson in, but the one thing that I do see here now is, let's see, I see a buy opportunity right here. Beautiful buy opportunity. Golden zone. I would definitely be looking for this. Definitely looking for something like that. I can see this happening right here. Retracement, boom, and then we have a buy setup. And it looks actually pretty clean. Let's go see it hit the next target. We're gonna have stop loss just below here, right? Below these wicks. I call it about 30 pips. I mean, I guess we could technically have it down here, like 66 pips. I know a lot of people do that. So I would do it something like that. And it would definitely be a good risk to reward ratio. So I think this is the trade that I'd be looking for tomorrow. If something like this. And you know, we could see entry up here. And we would have something like this. 50 pip stop loss, right? So I could see something like this as well. But we'll see. We'll see what it gives us right now. Yeah, this is probably going to be the trade that I'm looking for come come open. Or I mean, I don't know if it'll hit today. That'd be a little bit hard for it to do. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to overtrade. Sorry, let me actually show you what I'm looking at. All right, so today's May 19th, right? So this is what I want to tell you about why I don't like to look at the news. Everything that we had, these are orange folders, so these are like medium high folders, right? In terms of the importance. So we had Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, a lot lower than expected, and this is where you need a greater than forecast. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. 2.6, and they were expecting a 14.9, right? So that alone right there tells me price should be coming down, flying, right? Then we had unemployment. This is all 5:30 p.m. or 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right? Look at this shit. They were, all of these days that I've been on here, every time we have unemployment day, price is skyrocketing down. So this is where the market gets people, right? It tells you it's one thing, shows you one thing that should be definitely against what we're seeing, and then it continues to fly and fly and fly and fly and fly and fly. So that's the crazy thing. So I think we do have a buy opportunity right here. I don't think this is a sell off opportunity. Um, I guess it possibly could be. Let's see here. Let's say if we drag the wick from here. Wow. Well, I'll be damned. I think I just learned something. Right in the golden zone. Hmm. Interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Wow. Look at that. Maybe this was it. I still think we had a break of structure, but maybe this is what we were seeing, right? Wow. That was crazy. Yeah, shit. I might have missed that. You can see exactly what it did once it got in here. Let's go to the body. Wicked into the body and it's flying down now. This is about 969, 120 pip drop. Wow. Um, I don't know if I want to take this buy opportunity anymore. Just the way that this is looking, this is crazy right now. This is insane. Shit, looks like I just had I did it from this high to this low, but it should have been from this high to this low. 61% retracement. Boom. That's crazy, man. Look at this shit. I'm this is what gets me irritated, right? But man, that's nuts. Yeah, I don't know if I'm taking this buy though. I'm just gonna be real with you. That's crazy. Um, yeah, I don't think I'm taking this buy. Just from what I'm seeing now, especially just wicking out like that. Look at that. Two huge blocks. And again, we can't do this. This is all bank action. So this is bank action taking everybody out of their cells. And maybe people saying, there's a lot of breakout traders, right? A lot of breakout traders who will, in turn, say, okay, boom, here you go, here you go. As soon as price breaks above here, I'm going to go ahead and put my buys in, right? Oh, we're up 20 pips. Wow, this shit falls on you. So that happens more than you would think or expect to happen. So, I mean, I don't think I'm going to take this buy opportunity. I don't. But, I mean, it's a break of structure. It has everything that it needs to have. I'm not too sure. I've already taken my big loss for the day. And, I mean, we just might just continue to be in a downtrend, right? Let's see. Bigger, bam. Look at that on the bigger time frame. This is crazy right here. A huge wick. I mean, we could see a retracement actually. Maybe wick up to here and then fall. I could definitely see that happen. And, you know, you might have seen a break of structure there. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, because it broke this low, right? I mean, I want to take this buy, but it just seems like all the momentum is this way. So I don't think I'm going to. That shit is flying, son. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I think for sure, if we want to see a for sure break of structure, the price is going to have to break below this low. I think that's what we're going to need to see. Still respecting the EMA with the golden zone, right? This is a 61% 61% retracement right here. So it could fly up realistically. The one thing I'm trying to look for is a possible retracement, but there's not one area to possibly retrace to in terms of IOCs in these blocks. It's just straight down, which is nuts. And you can see it respecting the hell out of this 50 EMA with the golden zone. So there's a lot of confirmations to take this trade up, but the only thing I don't like is the news. And I think, you know, if this was a break of structure to the upside, right? If this high broke this high, then I think this high was broken by this low, in my opinion. Man, I really want to put a buy in, but I'm not sure. Just think the momentum's a little too far the momentum's pushing up or pushing down, right? And I don't want to go against that, but I really do want to put a buy in. Kind of looks like it's coming up. Look at that. Maybe up to this area up here before it falls. Could definitely see that happening. There it goes. I want to put a sell in, but I just don't know where to. Yeah, I don't want to put a sell in. This is a key area for us right here, right? But where do you put your stop loss at? Is it, it would have to be above here, and if it's above there, that's like 100 pips, right? So it would be something like this. Yeah, exactly 100 pips, right? Yeah, no, I don't want to put no sells in. I think where I would put a sell in is going to be I like this area right here, but I don't know. I put some sells in right now, but let's see if it does it for us. I think it might be going to this red line again, which is very possible. We'll see what happens. Let's see. see. And then at 907 and 901. Alright, let's see if it gives it to us. There's a big area. Hopefully it can push through right here. Again, I'm in at 907 and 901. Thinking about adding another position, truthfully. I think it's coming down. But let me see. Okay, I just entered right now. Hopefully it comes down another position. I'm just very confident that we broke structure and our price is coming down from here. I like that. Whoa, don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. Damn. My stop loss is just above this wick, so let's see. Wow. Shit, son. I think I just gotta eat this loss. But yep, I'm done for the day. So it is what it is. I had a terrible day of trading. Jesus. 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 I mean, minus 300 for the day. It is what it is. Made some money back, lost some money. Made some money back, lost some money. Damn. I mean, now I'm thinking this shit's out of here. It's about to go fly to the next spot, to the next IOC. Damn, what a terrible day of trading for me today. Yep, gotta take this out on the face. It is what it is at this point. I hate taking losses, but it is what it is. You know, we just gotta take it, and that's what it is. You know, so appreciate you guys for tuning in. Damn, pissed off that I didn't get the trade that I was looking for. Hello, left the trade. It already gave a. What was that, Bimbo? Can you go ahead and explain some more? Left the trade. It already gave a. It gave a what on the 15-minute? Maybe I missed it. Oh yeah, look at that wick. That was crazy, man. Bullish trend line on the 15-minute. You're saying right here. Is that the one that you're seeing? Seen it too. I don't know. I was going against it, trying to, you know, justify my trade, and ended up losing. And this is what I was thinking I could catch, but obviously that didn't happen. Gotcha. Yeah, that was my fault. You know, I really wanted to see this break below here, and then we would have, you know, a return to order. So very smart on your end. Something I got to get better at, right? So the trade journal today, I'm going to have to get better and notice and recognize what's going on in this section, right? So didn't get the respect that I was necessarily looking for, and now I paid the consequences for it. So tomorrow, hopefully, it gives us a better opportunity. I think, you know, now we're seeing that price is going to push up unless we see a break of structure up here. You know, once it breaks through all this, but to this point, I think you know, we just got to take it on the chin and go from there. Obviously, my original buy, what I was thinking my buy area would be, that was the trade. So, well, not my original, but sell off was wrong. But this buy that I had thought when price had come down, or before when price was up here, this buy that I thought was a good one. So, yeah, I think this was the real trade right here. This was the trade. Because if we had taken this, right, well, we have it right here. If we would have taken this trade, look at what it did, exactly what we wanted it to do, right? Would have risked 50 for 171. That was the trade. So I'll take this shit on the chin. It is what it is. And, you know, got to take the loss. So got to get better, and we'll get it from there, man. Damn, I hate when I'm right, but I do the wrong shit. We'll get it tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you.